Hey, it's Scott again. Just wanted to remind you to go ahead and sign up for the Pickleball Masterclass while you still can. One of the reasons that people haven't signed up for the class is they ask or wonder, is this actually better than all the online free training that's on the web or YouTube? The answer is absolutely, positively yes. If you go online, you can find a variety of teachers teaching a variety of things. Ask 10 different teachers, you may get 5 different answers. So it will be confusing at best, and typically you get what you pay for. Our master class is 5 years of experience by Daniel Moore and myself, 30-time national champions that have learned this the hard way and taught it all in one package, a systematic approach to pickleball that will simplify the game for you, give you something to shoot for and learn, and the repetitive benefit of seeing it over and over and over again, consistency and proven results. So what I'm saying is that we guarantee that this will be the best training you've ever had. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just send us an email, we will refund your money. That's how sure we are that this will be the best training you'll ever get. Plus you get it to see it over and over again, not one time, but a systematic approach. So don't delay any further. Go ahead and click the link below and get started by purchasing the online class. We look forward to seeing you on the inside of the training course.